Are your Facebook monetization payments stuck, or you just need to change to a new bank account? Now, updating your payout settings, updating your Facebook payment settings can be stressful, especially when you do it in a wrong way. Because if you do it in a wrong way, your phone gets stuck. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact safe way for you to do it so that you'll get your payments on time every time. Now, before we click the button, there's something I want you to know. Now, whenever you do a new setup on your Facebook page, on your payouts Facebook automatically place your account on hold for the next 7 days because of some security reasons to avoid hackers. So if you're expecting your payment in the next 2 days, I would advise you shouldn't do any of these settings until you receive your payment. Now, let's get started. Now, you're going to open your Facebook app. Click on your Facebook app, then check the right hand corner. You see your profile. Click on it. It takes you to your profile. Then you're going to click on that dashboard. Click on the dashboard, and it's going to bring out this for you. Then scroll that you're going to see where they wrote monetize. Click on monetize. Then it's going to show you your approximate earning and everything about your earning. Then click on that place. You see $2.36 rollover to next payouts. Click on that place. That's where your setting is going to be. Now you're going to click on here. They wrote view payout history. Click on view payout history. It's going to show you all the transaction. Now you're going to show you all the transaction you've made for the month or for the year, whether the one they've paid you or the ones that are about to be paid. Now you're going to click on the top right corner. You're going to see settings. Click on setting at the top right corner. You're going to show you payout settings. Now allow you to load. Now you're going to see that place they wrote payout method. Payout method. These are the details you filled before. Now click on payout method. Now this is where you're going to do your changing. Now click on that place they wrote updates. Allow it to load. Now Facebook is going to send you a code. Just click on that place they wrote code. Facebook is going to send you a code that you're going to enter. Now this is the code. Enter the code and allow it to load. Like you see my own code, then allow it to load. Click on continue. Allow it to load. Now it's going to show you this now. So for my Nigerian creators, if you are using a specialized dollar account or a local account, make sure your Swift code and account name matches your Facebook tax info, because even a small mistake can cause a failed payment status. Now we are going to be using manual link bank accounts. I'm going to click on it, then scroll down. These are the details I filled before, but now I'm going to fill in a Swift code, new bank account, then I'm going to confirm it. So all I'm going to do is, I actually don't want to change anything here, but I'm just going to use this one as an illustration for you to see what you're going to do. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in a bank account here. I'm going to input a bank account, an account number, Then I'm going to click on confirm bank account number, and we type the one I typed before there. Okay. I'm trying as much as possible to make this video short. Okay, no, I think I've made a mistake here. I think the number is more than the one I typed before. So I'm going to make some correction. I think the 2, okay, I wrote double 2 at the front. I'm trying to, okay. Now this is it. Now I'm just going to type anything on the Swift code so that you will see what you're going to click on when you finish typing in everything. This is not a Swift code, I just type it. So when I'm done, I'm going to click on connect payout method. And once you do this, Facebook will ask me to verify my identity. This might be a password check or a 2-factor authentication code. Either they will ask me to input my Facebook password or they will send me a 2-factor authentication code. Do not skip this. Once you hit confirm, you will see a notice about that 10 days hold, 7 days hold I mentioned earlier. Then you click on done. You are all set. So if you want to do something else, like update your owner's account name, all you have to do is go back, scroll down. You're going to see updates, payout account owner. If you want to change the name, still click on it, click on the updates. You're going to see this interface. Click on the code. Facebook is going to send you a code, the same pattern you did the other one. That's how you're going to do it. They're not really sending me any code. I think maybe to a bad network.
I hope this helps you. So anything you want to do, just click on updates and all the details, input all the details you're asked, and you're good to go.
And that is how you fix your payout settings. If after doing all this and you're still seeing the red dots or an action required message, leave a comment in this video and telling me the exact thing you're seeing so I can help you out. If this video helped you, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, because on Monetize with Juliet, we share tips on how to make your coins. I'll see you in my next video.